Your phone buzzes, you glance at the screen, nothing important, you check it anyway. But the real answer for why isn't about your phone at all. It's about something far stranger, buried deep in your ancestors' brains. Picture an early human walking through tall grass 2 million years ago. Every bush might hide fruit, or it might hide nothing. The brain didn't know which bush would pay off, so it kept checking. Researcher B.F. Skinner discovered this exact pattern decades ago, not in humans but in rats. He found that animals rewarded unpredictably pulled a lever far more than animals rewarded every single time. Unpredictable rewards are stickier than guaranteed ones. Why would an unreliable payoff matter more than a reliable one? Because your brain isn't built to chase certainty, it's built to chase possibility. Neuroscientist Wolfram Schultz later traced this down to single neurons. He found that dopamine doesn't spike when you get a reward. It spikes when you don't know if you will. That gap, that not knowing, is the most addictive feeling your brain produces. Your phone is just a modern bush. Every notification might be nothing, or it might be something. Your brain can't tell until it looks. Ecologist Eric Charnoff modeled this hunting behavior mathematically in what's now called optimal foraging theory. His equations showed that animals abandon a food patch the moment the rate of reward drops, even slightly. They move to the next patch, chasing the next maybe. Sound familiar? Scroll, check, scroll again. Your thumb is foraging. Each new post, each new message is a new bush in tall grass, and your ancient brain still can't resist checking what's behind it. You were never weak for checking your phone 40 times a day. You were running software built 2 million years ago for a much hungrier world. Tonight, when your phone buzzes and you already know there's nothing urgent, check it if you want. Just know it isn't your phone you're really answering. It's your ancestors still walking through that tall grass, still hoping the next bush is the one that pays off.